In this video, I'm going to go over the monochrome trace contrast settings. So let me go ahead and file, place an image, and I'm going to choose this bell pepper here. And I'm going to open the trace window with the shortcut icon here. And it brings up my trace window. Now, this is my source image, okay? You can see right now that it is tracing around the entire image. If I go ahead and turn that all the way down, you can see it better. Alright, so let me turn this down here. Alright, and then as I move it slowly up and hit update, you can see now it's going to trace the stem, all these little pieces, plus the background, which is this green on the inside. Now you can see that this is open here. So let me go ahead and zoom in on that. And while I'm doing that, check the rest of the image to make sure there's no other open areas, which there are right here around the stem. So let's go up a little bit further and check the update. Still not far enough. Up a little further. Let's update. Okay, now this is filled in and the stem is filled in. So if that's what you want to be able to cut these out of, all different colored greens or whatever, then you can click OK and be done with your trace. But if you keep going and keep going a little further, oops, I went too far. Now you can see that it has filled in the stem. So the stem is going to actually be part of the background, and then you'll have all your little sections here. But if that's not what you want, you can go back and just make sure that you don't have any openings there, and you can be done. Alright, so let's try a different image here. Let's go with this owl. Alright, and let's update. Now, this is my source image. I'm going to turn this all the way down. I'm going to turn this all the way down. And you can see that it is tracing all of the sections. Alright, so if I move it up a little bit and update, there you can see it a little better. Alright, I'll move it up a little more and a little more, and now you can see that it has filled in from, it's filled all of this in. Okay, if I go up a little more, and a little more, it's starting to fill in. That's the shadow, actually. All that solid green is the shadow on that image. Okay, and then here it's filled this in. If I keep going, it'll fill in the feet. A little higher. Whoop. There we go. It's starting to fill in the feet. A little higher. There. That now it's filled in the feet. But it hasn't filled in the white. So white is the last thing that's going to get traced, or the last color, I should say, that will be traced. And because it's on a white background, if I go ahead and move this up, it's going to fill in the whole image because the background is white. Okay, so to get around that, you could do the blackout function. And with the blackout function, you're going to get a trace around the whole thing. So this whole thing could be white so that you have your white eyes and eyebrows in this section here, and then you place your other colors on top of that.